Today we will learn about congruence of triangles. We all are surrounded by so many things which are similar to each other. These two flags, these are similar to each other, right? These two markers, these are similar to each other. And these two packets of biscuits, these are similar to each other. Now the question is, what is the similarity between these flags, markers and these biscuits? The answer is, they have same shape and they have same size. The size of both packets is same, shape of both packets is same. So these are similar. One more thing, if I place one flag over the other and I try to see the flag from this side, I am not able to see the flag on the other side. Similarly, you cannot see the flag on my side. Only one flag is visible to you. Why? Because these two flags superimpose each other. These overlap each other, or we can say these flags cover each other completely. Right? Now in mathematics, such things which superimpose each other, which overlaps each other, or which covers each other completely are called congruent figures. So what are congruent figures? The figures having the same shape and same size are called congruent figures. Let us learn about the congruency of some geometrical figures. Our geometry starts from a point, and a point is extended to a line segment. So let us learn the congruency of line segments. Now concentrate yourself on the sticks of these two flags. If I try to impose this one stick over the other, am I able to superimpose these two sticks? Yes. These sticks cover each other completely. But if I take these two pencils, suppose these two pencils are line segments, and I try to superimpose or I try to overlap one pencil over the other. Do these two pencils superimpose? No, these do not superimpose. Why? Because one pencil is bigger than the other. So the line segments which are equal in length, they superimpose each other, and these are called congruent line segments. These two line segments are not congruent because these are not equal in length. So we can write the line segments are equal in length, then these line segments are congruent line segments. Now we will learn about another geometrical figure, that is angles. I draw an angle named A, B, C. It is of measurement 75 degrees plus. And I draw one more angle. It is of measurement 90 degree, and let this be angle PQR. If I try to overlap this angle PQR over triangle ABC, do this angle overlap this angle? No, this do not overlap this angle. But if I draw another angle of same measurement 75 degree, let it be XYZ. Now this angle XYZ overlap the angle ABC. These two angles overlap each other, but these two angles do not overlap. So these two angles are congruent angles. So what can we say say about congruent angles? The angles which are equal in measurement are called congruent angles. So we can write here the angles equal in measurement are called congruent angles. Let us move to our triangles. Let me show you triangles. These are triangles of different measurements. These are triangles of different measurements, and I take any one triangle out of these triangles. I take triangle XYZ. Now I want to find out the triangle from these triangle which is congruent to this triangle XYZ. Now what will I have to do? I will take one triangle and try to overlap it. Will it superimpose? No, it does not superimpose. And now I take another triangle. Suppose this triangle PQR. I try to overlap this triangle. So again, it does not overlap. But I can see that these are almost equal in measurements, right? So what I do, I turn around this triangle and I see when I turn it, it overlaps now, right? Now triangle PQR overlap the triangle XYZ. It means we can turn them, we can rotate them, and we can change, we can adjust that so that they superimpose each other. Now the triangle PQR and the triangle XYZ, they overlap each other, they cover each other completely, they superimpose each other. So these triangles are congruent triangles. You can see that point P coincides point X, right? Point Q coincides point Y, point Z coincides point R. Moreover, if we see the line segments or the length of the side, we can see that the line segment PR coincides the line segment XZ. Line segment PQ coincides the line segment XY, and the line segment YZ coincides the line segment QR. What does it mean? It means when two triangles are congruent, then the sides are equal in length. The sides are equal in length, and if we look at their angles are also of equal measurements. So in congruent triangles, line segments are of equal length. You can see in these two triangles, line segments are of equal length and angles are of same measurement. So these angles are of same measurement. Let us show it mathematically. I draw two triangles which I have shown you. That is PQR and triangle XYZ. And as I told you, point P coincides with point X, point Q coincides with point Y, and point R coincides with point Z. This is the sign of correspondence. Correspondence means the point P coincides with point X. So we can say that point P is corresponding to point X, point Q corresponding to point Y, and point Z corresponding to point R. Right? And if I write about the line segments, I will write the line segment PQ. Line segment is shown by this symbol in mathematics. Line segment PQ is equal to line segment XY. Line segment QR is is talk about the angles. The angle P is angle to angle X. P is equal to angle X. Angle Q is equal to angle Y. And angle R, that is equal to angle Z. Again, two triangles are congruent, their sides are of equal length, their angles are of equal measurement. We can say triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. How do I write it? Triangle PQR congruent to triangle XYZ. This is the symbol of congruency, right? Triangle PQR congruent to triangle XYZ. This is all about congruent triangles. I hope you understand the topic congruent triangles. Now what you can do, you can draw and cut triangles like these triangles from different colored papers, and you can play a game with your friend. What the game will be? You will give your friend a triangle and ask your friend to find the triangle which is congruent to this triangle from the triangles you have, right? So draw and cut your triangles, enjoy the game and enjoy the topic congruent triangles.